In this video, you'll learn how to connect Uniswap to Trust Wallet. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to access Uniswap through your Trust Wallet and trade cryptocurrencies seamlessly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to Google. This is where you will search for the Trust Wallet extension. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, as this will help with faster loading times. Next, in the Google search bar, type Trust Wallet extension and press the Enter key. This will display a list of search results related to the Trust Wallet extension. Look for the official Trust Wallet link to proceed further. After finding the correct link, click on it to access the Trust Wallet extension page. Once the page loads, you will see options to add the extension to your browser. Depending on your browser, you may need to click on a button that says Add to Chrome or Install. Once the extension is installed, you will see the Trust Wallet icon appear in your browser's toolbar. Click on this icon to open the Trust Wallet extension. If prompted, you may need to sign in or create a new wallet if you do not already have one. Now that you have the Trust Wallet open, look for the option labeled Fund within the extension interface. This is usually located on the main dashboard. Click on Fund to explore the options available for adding funds to your wallet. After that, you will see various options for purchasing cryptocurrency. Click on the button that says Buy Crypto to proceed. This will direct you to a page where you can choose the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. Next, click on the search bar that appears on the page. Here, type in Uniswap to find the token associated with Uniswap. This step is crucial because it ensures you are selecting the correct asset to connect with. Once you find Uniswap in the search results, click on it to select it. After selecting Uniswap, the interface will confirm your choice and you will see that you have successfully connected to Uniswap through your Trust Wallet. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.